I'm back. This is so weird. Turns out I didn't give up making a second video. Today I'm going to do a review about the most expensive foundation in the world. Actually, I've used it a few times before, so this is it. This is the most expensive foundation in the world. Congratulations. Yay. I'm not wearing anything. I'm not wearing any wig today, so hello, this is my real hair. So I'm gonna start with a primer. This is my primer. I use it from MAC. Cause my skin is like so dry, so I need to use a little bit more. Boop. Oh shit. That sounds like shit. 90s, do it like it's roll it, burn it, lose it. Usually people use this after they're done with their makeup, but for me myself, I use it after I use my primer, and I use this, and then after I done my makeup, I use this too. So just whatever. I'm gonna try the foundation now. As you can see, I already opened it, and this is the inside. Yeah, whatever. I use my brush, a MAC one, number 190. You can use this for blush too, but it's better if you guys use beauty blender, but I don't know where the fuck is mine, so whatever. Let's just get into it. Actually, this is not the right color for my skin.
It's not bad.
Why did I buy this one? Ask my mom. She brought a wrong one, so is this too yellow as for me? Yeah, that's right. Oh, look at these people. Sometimes I just, people say that, bitch, you're too white. Stop it. I'm just like, okay. I just sometimes use this one, but not too much. It's not full coverage, but okay. I took so long applying foundation. Why? Because this is kind of hard to apply. But bitch, whatever. For what I've been using like for a few times already, like when you wear this foundation, you don't feel like you wear anything, because no joke, it feels so light. So the next one is I'm gonna do my concealer. As you guys know, I use Tarte, the porcelain sand. Wow, I read it today. Gotta keep it suave like I'm shot in the 90s. Do it like it's, do it like it's. Yeah. Do you recognize this car? I do. You know what? I'll be back soon because I'm gonna find my beauty blender. It's hard to blend it with a brush. Turns out my beauty blender is, I don't know where the fuck is it, but I have this one, the old beauty blender of mine, so I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm gonna set my face with my favorite powder, Chanel. As you guys can see, oh, okay, is that too near? My skin is looking pretty good. I really like this foundation because it feels so light that just like you feel like you're not wearing anything. So for today's look, I'm just gonna do something simple that, like everyday look. So yeah, be back soon. By the way, before that, I'm going to use Naked palette, Urban Decay Smoky Eye. This is like a super soft look that I'm going to do. Like, yeah, this is super soft, guys. Can't see shit because the mirror is too far away, but hope I do it right. Down here, I'm gonna do a little bit darker color. It's called yeah, whatever. I'll show you guys. Oh shit, that's too much.
Out the world, it's a mess, yeah.
I'm gonna do a super simple eyeliner, just like a one line, you know, like Korean eyeliner.
Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer.
For the mascara, okay, I've been using this Chanel mascara for so long, and I'm still in love with it, and it's almost finished, you know. I really love it. You guys are the best. This one is the best.
Like it's ruling, roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks like
My skin is like really good. No joke. Like usually, if I use any other foundation, like at my nose, it will start flaking, you know, like snowy. If I use this one, it's not flicking at all, and here it's like so good. And even usually I use much more primer, even I use plus moisturizer, everything, but it's still like kind of dry, as my skin is like so dry. I'm gonna fill a little bit of my eyebrows and I'll be back soon.
like it's ruling, roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks like keep it moving.
I won't do any contour because I'm not going anywhere. Haha, I'm not going to any party, so just gonna leave it be. For the lips, I'm gonna use Chanel. I'm sorry, my lips. Yeah. This is number 42. The name is like admirable. I use this kind of a lot. I mean, I have another one almost like finished. See, it's so cute and soft. You guys can get it on a Chanel makeup store, and it's not really that expensive. I promise, it's not really that expensive. For the final touch, like this is the only thing that I really never do. Like you can count it as me using a blush. So I'm gonna try it today. I have a lot of blush, like a lot. For the blush, I'm gonna use this matte blush. I usually use Picasso, what the fuck. It's number 105. As you can see, it's like super new. I only use it never. Oh, look at that, it's kind of cute actually. I like it, not bad.
Roll it, burn it.
I feel so fancy.
Spending decks like keep it moving.
Now, for the things that you will never ever forget to use. Ta-da! It's a highlighter! What I love the most is there's only two. It's from MAC, and one more is like Becca. Oh, you stole my heart. Okay, this is so good. As you guys know, this is like so trend. This one is like so popular, like everyone goes crazy for it. As you can see, I use it a lot. I mean, this is the second time I brought it. This part, I'm gonna use this brush. It's from Picasso, number 14, Pony. Let's go blinding tonight. Should we go out? Don't want to really use that much.
Cause I do it like it's ruling, roll it, burn.
Put a little bit here. Ooh, look at that girl. You never disappoint me, girl. This is Picasso, number 213. For eyeshadow, this is so good. For highlighter, this is also so good. For the finishing, I'm gonna use this one. Ooh, whew, that's so fucking fresh. For the result, as you guys can see, this is so good. I mean, I love my skin. My skin looks so fancy. I mean, I really like this foundation, but I think it's kind of overpriced. People here sell it for at least 4 million, and at that time, I buy it for 4.3 million for just a foundation that is this small. Oh, my nails look good by the way today. It's kind of a little bit overpriced, but it's good. I'm not joking, it's really lightweight and I really love it. Kind of look, ooh, I'm ready to go out. Thank you for watching this videos. Hope you like it, even though it's kind of messy. It's because it's still my second time. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment and share to your friends.